Drabbaspurana Vijnanam Indriyanam Anugraha. So, Drabba, the physical body, that is influenced by the Tejasa, Vikurvana. This physical body is developed by the mode of passion, the ego, the false ego of the spirit soul. When it is influenced by the mode of passion, then these indriyas, different indriyas, senses, eyes, ear, nose, tongue, hands, legs, genital, rectum, all these things, 9 chidras, holes in the body, develop. And they ultimately come to become the different parts and limbs of the senses of the body. Tejasat vikurvana buddhi tam avustati drabbaspurana vijnanam indriyanam anugraha. In this way, the senses came into being. And we have discussed last night that all this controlling is going on under the supervision of Aniruddha. Aniruddha is in charge of development of these indriyas. Indriyana mudhishara. Jad vidut hi Aniruddha akhyam rishikanam adhissaram. Rishik means the indriya or the senses. Actually, we have discussed already. We are simply under some machine. Brahman sarvabhutani jantra rurhane. A machine is manufactured immediately. Just like here medical men, they also manufacture some skeleton according to the requirement of the patient. So, this body is manufactured by the supervision of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and the ingredients given by material nature, and I am put into the machine. This is my position. As I desire to enjoy, actually I haven't got to enjoy or reject anything. I am put into a certain type of machine, and I have to go or work. Actually I do not also work. The work is also going on by different agents. I am simply put into it just to satisfy my desires as I want it. Je yathamang prapaddante tang tathaiva bhajamyaham. Krishna is so kind that he has given us the chance of enjoying. The same example, as I have already spoken several times, that a gentleman takes his dog chain, and the dog passes urine, and the gentleman also stands, he passes, he wants to go there, this here, there, gives the facility, but under the control of the chain. Similarly, we, after forgetting our relationship with Krishna, when we want to enjoy independently, the chance is given. This chance is given, that is material world. We get a material body and we are given chance to enjoy as we like, but that is not very fruitful for our satisfaction. After all, we are part and parcel of Satchidananda Vigraha, Sat Chit Ananda. Sat means eternal, Chit means knowledge, and Ananda means bliss. So, we being part and parcel of Krishna, the Satchidananda Vigraha, we have got also the same type or same quality of constitutional position. But because we wanted independently, therefore we are in a position or in a circumstance which is neither Sat nor Chit nor Anand. Asat, Achit, Niranand. This body, material body, is asat. Everyone knows. It will not stay temporary. Avinashitu tadviddi jena sarvamidam tatam. This is, body is vinashi. And the dehinasmin yatha dehe, the dehina, the proprietor of the body, he is avinashi. He is sat. But this body is asat. Asat grahat. The Shastra says that sada samudvigna dhiyam asat grahat. This living entity, although part and parcel of the Supreme Being, Krishna, Satchidananda Vigraha. So, why instead of Ananda, we have got anxieties? Instead of Ananda, actually we should have been in Ananda, Anandamaya Bhyasa. Just like Krishna is before us, is Ananda, is enjoying, is playing on his flute, and Srimati Radharani is serving him, and all the gopis serving him. And those who are devotees, they are also trying to assist Srimati Radharani and the gopis to give Krishna pleasure. Ananda Chinmaya Rasa Pratibhavitavi. All the expansion, Krishna, Srimati Radharani and the gopis, they are expansion of Ananda Chinmaya Rasa. They are not material. They are all Ananda Chinmaya Rasa Pratibhavita. Stabhijya eva nija rupa taya kalabhi. They are also Krishnas. Everything is Krishna. Separated and personal. So these are personal expansion. We are also Krishnas. We are separated now in this material. Therefore we have forgotten Krishna. So, Ananda Chinmaya Rasa Pratibhavita Sabhi Jayeva Nijarupataya Kalabhi. Krishna is enjoying Satchidananda Vigraha by expanding his Ananda Chinmaya Rasa. Transcendental bliss and spiritual, Chinmaya, not material. And so unless we do not know the difference between the material and spiritual, we should not try to understand Krishna's pleasure potency. If we try to understand Krishna's pleasure potencies, then we will misunderstand that Krishna is also like us. He is enjoying amongst the young girls. And let us imitate it. That is fall down. Yes, that is called Sahajya. But Krishna's this enjoyment is not material. They are all spiritual. They are explained in the Srimad Bhagavatam. When the gopis came to Krishna, they came in their spiritual body. The material body was lying down with their husband. The husband could not know that my wife has gone to Krishna. These are explained in the Srimad Bhagavatam. So this is all spiritual. Ananda Chinmaya Rasa. Rasa means mellow. The juice. There is juice, but that is not material juice. Material juice is different. That is temporary. Asat. That is not sat. So if we want to taste this material juice, then we must be put into always in anxiety. Material life is anxiety. Therefore, in this material world, I may love somebody, but it is full with anxieties. My lover may not cheat.